India is the fastest developing country in the technical and manufacturing sector. We at Rishil Enterprise are proudly contributing to nation's growth and the dream of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Captivating on the skills of our professionals, we are engaged in the business of manufacturing and supplying industrial project materials and engineering services with the facilities located at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The company started its endeavor with the main aim to cater quality material and decent services. Our professional and experienced team is committed to achieve excellence in the business. Our consistent attention to the key deliverables of client satisfaction, timeliness, accuracy, and a clear perspective of nurturing long-term relationships have ensured that we have satisfied clients across the globe. We have full-fledged facilities for various industrial mechanical fabrication and engineering works. Some of our prestigious supply and services are We, Rishil Enterprise, are appreciated by most of our clients for excellent product development and services. Why Rishil Enterprise? Contact us today.